Welcome. I know this is a very exciting time, especially for the Aptos community. So, let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic. If you enjoy these kind of videos, guys, smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button and come join the Crypto ZX army. If you are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know I covered Aptos not even 10 days back, where I said Aptos charts are screaming a massive breakout, and fast forward today, we have seen Aptos hit an all-time high. A lot of things to cover, so sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the show. Looking at the price of Aptos right now, massive gains are being made right now within the price of Aptos, currently trading at $19.05. It's up 49.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 45.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap currently sitting at $3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume $1.4 billion. Yes, guys. This is absolutely madness. We have seen an all-time high, but looking at the bigger picture, in just the last 30 days alone, Aptos is up 422%. And that is insane. Without a doubt, in this year, 2023, Aptos is by far one of the top performers, if not the top performer in the cryptocurrency markets. And this shows the strength and the hype factor that is playing out for APT token. You guys can see all-time high was just about 15 minutes back at $19.39, and things are looking very exciting. And now a lot of people are saying, are we about to see Aptos hit $100 this bull cycle? Very likely. And look at what the craziest part is. All-time low was just on December 29th, which was at $3 per APT token, and that does not seem long ago at all. That just seems like yesterday at this point, and if you picked it up, you are already up 500%, which is absolutely mind-blowing. And that goes to show the power of cryptocurrencies and having a strong hands and really believing in the vision. But now, before we jump into the charts, I just wanted to show something very interesting with you guys. Look, just on January 14, 2023, I said, Aptos investors, are you guys ready? Aptos price about to explode after this. And that time the price was currently trading at $7.57. So you guys see what has happened. But now let's waste no more time and get right into the charts and see what's happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So obviously right now we are seeing Aptos at all-time highs, so there's not much level of resistance or support, so the price can go up as much as it's like. Obviously it comes down to supply and demand. Right now the demand is quite high for APT, and obviously these new blockchains that are coming in the markets are really starting to be very interesting to a lot of retail investors along with the institutional investors. And obviously APT is one of them, which is gaining a lot of traction right now and being listed on all the major exchanges across the board. That obviously is a massive plus point as well. And if we're looking at the daily time frame, again, things are looking really bullish. One of the best looking charts in the cryptocurrency market, and this thing can continue to go up. But as I say that, if you really did pick up some APT token back on December at $3 per token, I strongly encourage you guys to have some sort of stop loss in place where you guys can kind of lock in some profits, because it has gone up about 500%. And remember, this is a large cap coin. And considering that factor in mind, a large cap coin moving this fast, these type of gains is very impressive, and obviously shows the strength of the overall project. Not only that, but the interest level that's coming into the markets as well. And obviously BTC momentum has been playing in the favor of APT also. BTC has been looking quite well, and as you guys know, it's above $22,000 mark, and as long as the price of Bitcoin stays above $22,000 mark, I am extremely bullish on the markets. And yet again, we have seen Bitcoin also hit a new yearly high today. And things are looking quite well, especially since the year of 2023 begun. But now moving to the altcoins, so altcoin discussion. Obviously APT right now doesn't really care about the overall BTC momentum because it has been outperforming the entire market, but altcoin BTC dominance index right now has been increasing. So if the BTC dominance index increases, that really goes to show that altcoin interest is not as high right now. More people are expecting either Bitcoin to continue this upwards trend, and more money's flowing into Bitcoin, and that's what we're seeing happen right now. So not too exciting for the altcoin side, but altcoin season is going to come back obviously when the index were to go a little bit down. But as far as APT is concerned, man, this thing is going madness, and I would not be surprised if this thing really does pull more upside potential. And yeah, let me know if you guys, what the thing that I really want to learn from you guys is that if you really manage to pick up some APT at that $3 mark, if there are people out there that picked up some APT literally at the bottom, let me know down below. That is absolutely insane, and that really goes to show what power of patience really has, the importance of having patience within the markets. If you really want to make gains, you kind of want to forget about your emotions, because emotions, you want to get rich overnight, you want to make gains overnight, and those kind of gains, to be quite frank with you guys, are just not there. You might as well go to a casino and try it out there. But in terms of cryptocurrencies, if you are picking up some solid projects and have done your due diligence and research and really believe in it, give them some time and patience. As long as you do that, things will return back in the favor of the project. But APT is looking quite well right now, and I do believe, as I've said in my previous video, that APT is going to be one of the projects that is going to do quite well this year, because there's a lot of hype coming into it, and obviously blockchains projects are really on the rise right now. A lot of people are interested in, especially investors, not only investors, developers as well. We're seeing more and more competition come in, like more than ever before, and that really goes to show where this market is headed. Obviously Ethereum is not great in terms of development side anymore, because there's more blockchains out there, and developers are shifting away, flocking away from Ethereum blockchain to different blockchains, because the Ethereum blockchain just doesn't give you what it used to, because there's so many different projects out there that have so many different utilities and better tech. So more developers are leaning towards that. But that is it for today's update. Like I've said, if you picked some up early on in December at the lows, having a stop loss would be very beneficial. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you, but do not get greedy. That's what I would definitely encourage you guys to do. And come join me on my Twitter account, link in the description box below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.